20 viewers. Thank you guys. That's a high for tonight. 2-0, folks. Welcome. I am BT Neanderthal. And I am killing Diablo. And his soul will come out of his body in about 0.1 seconds. No! No! Jesus! No!
Was that what I think it is?
No! Gheeds fortune, man. Freaking heck. I'm freaking...
I told you.
I'm
BT.
just...
I have to see your reaction.
No, Dad, they're not wrong, dude. It's only 49,000. You left your post. You can't.
Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen, we're having fire.
Mark, he just got an item for the 5th time.
Oh my
It's extremely rare.
gosh.
Getting even one is like off the charts.
Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. No, dude. No. No. 5 days in a freaking row.
Well, 5 streams.
Yes. Oh my gosh, dude. You can't.
What are the rolls? Anything good?
Who picked it up? Sorry, I just left because I was just like... What? Dude, I haven't gotten any other... I haven't gotten Shaco. I haven't gotten any unique amulets. I haven't gotten any... What is the chance of that to drop, man?
I've been muted this whole time, obviously.
God is literally dropping that. He's just laughing in heaven right now. He's just like, watch this, man. I'm gonna drop this impossible thing for you. 5 times in a row. Yeah, we're just like that, man. What the heck is this?
Okay, it is. The stats on it, GP, like you asked, were 157% extra gold, 31% better chance for magic items, and reduce all vendor prices by
Dude,
14%.
someone's hacked my account.
Are those
Somebody...
good, bad?
What are they? What are they again? Just name the numbers.
157 extra gold, 31% magic, and 14% reduced prices.
That's pretty decent. That's above half. Dude, this is bull
That's
crap.
good.
That's bull crap. I don't believe that at all.
Well, it is possible.
Yes, it's possible if I was freaking, like, God. You can't get Gheeds, man, 5 times every... I can't get Gheeds every time I play this game. Do you understand the chance to drop that trash, man? What am I doing? Alright,